This free AI video generator can produce full-length videos for you, be it vertical or horizontal. The best part, you never need to pay a dime for it, and you don't need anything to install. It comes with avatars so that you can select your avatar and make them say whatever you want. It comes with voiceover. You can add background music. You can add images. You can even record your screen or your camera from within. You can upload whatever you have, or you can even use stock footages to create a complete video for you. Now, if all of that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this tutorial, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete idea of how you can leverage the power of AI to produce videos of top-notch quality for yourself or for your clients for absolutely free using Google Vids. Hey guys, this is Shayan and welcome to this Google Vids tutorial. In here, you can produce some videos just like this. Let me play this.
I've been staring at this for hours.
What's wrong?
It's not right. The flow, the edit, it's just not working.
Maybe take a break?
But then, AI changed everything. Your face, your voice, your business, automated.
24/7.
Comment automation, and I will show you how.
Look at that, right? So everything regards of the voiceover, everything regarding the lip sync, all was done automatically with this brand new tool called Google Vids. Now, to explore Google Vids, all that you want to do is come over to your Google account and just type vids.new, right? And hit on enter. And boom, as you can see, you would be taken over to this kind of screen where you can decide what kind of video you want to make: landscape, portrait, or square. Whatever you wish to, you can make with over here, right? Now, let us create a landscape video. Now, in here, you have plenty of things to start with, right? In here, as you can see, but I'm more interested in showing you how to build everything from scratch. So let's go ahead and click on blank vid. Now in here you also have the option of changing the size. As you can see, although you have selected landscape previously, you could go ahead and select a portrait one as well and click on apply, and boom, as you can see, it now is a portrait video. So now let's go ahead and actually create something brand new. So I've just gone over to ChatGPT and told him that give me a 20-second video scene by scene of 4 scenes where a journey of a fat entrepreneur to a fit entrepreneur is shown. Talk about the diet, exercise, and mostly discipline. So let's go ahead and check out. So there you go. It has given this. So this is our first scene, as you can see. So we can actually copy this and go over to your Google Vids. And in here, as you can see, you just need to select this VO model. Just select that. And then you will go over to this place over here from where you can give the prompt. So I'll give it over here. And then you can select an avatar. So I can maybe choose this guy. If I don't want to, I can not choose as well. But for consistent character, we can choose one, right? So let's go ahead and select him. Now, once this is done, I'll click on generate. Now you can see it has created it, right? Now, all that we can do over here is that we can insert this just by clicking on insert. Or if we don't like, we can click on recreate. Now, might be my camera is coming on your way, so let me remove it in a different direction. Okay, so I hope it's visible now, right? So I can just click on insert, and as soon as I do so, you can see here is a timeline itself. So I don't need any other video editor, right? And look at that. The character that I choose, it has actually kept the same character, while this guy is now a little fatter. Now let's go ahead and play this.
Success means nothing if your body is collapsing.
Amazing. Look at the transition, look at the camera movement, and look at the expressions. It's quite amazing, right? So that was our first scene. Now let's quickly build on the other scenes as well. Now I'm going to go quickly through this, right? So the second scene over here, you can see this is the scene. So let's copy this and let's paste it over here for the second scene. So now we have pasted it and let's click on generate. So you can see this. It has generated another clip, right? So let's go ahead and actually insert it.
Not motivation.
Now I'll click on insert in new scene, and boom, it has been added. Now the other way around is we can click on this plus and we can drag it as well. That's another way. Now let's go ahead and play this.
Not motivation. Not luck. Discipline.
Look at that, the transformation happening, right? Now let's go ahead and actually go over to our third scene, and let's go again back to VO, and in here we just need to come over here and we need to paste it, right? Once this is done, again we'll click on generate, and as you can see, another clip has been generated.
Every meal, every hard choice changed him.
So that is quite good as well. Now I'm going to show you the other way to add this. Just click on this new scene, and as you can see, the scene is here. Just drag this over here, and boom, as you can see, the scene have been added. Right now, if we play this,
every workout, every meal, every hard choice changed him.
So you can see it sounds quite good, right? It has those sound effects as well. That's quite amazing. Now let's go over to the last one and let's paste it over here and let's click on generate. Now one thing I want to tell you over here is that just look at the prompt. I'm giving visuals, then I'm giving the camera movement, I'm giving the voiceover and text, and then I'm giving the ending text that should appear, right? So this is the general format that I'm following, right? So let's wait for the video to complete. So look at
Transform
that,
yourself.
right?
Your body follows your discipline. Transform yourself. Transform your life.
Look at
Discipline
that.
builds
So
empire.
let's play it over here.
Your body follows your discipline. Transform yourself. Transform your life. Discipline builds empires.
Amazing, right? Now there is a blank slide, so I just need to come over here and click on delete, and boom, it's done, right? So that was building your initial video. As you saw, it's as easy as it can be, but then we can actually make it even better. Let me show you how. Now in here, as you can see, now these are more viewable, right? And in here, we can do a few things. Number one, we can come over to this VO itself. And in here, we can add components. Like if I want this guy in a particular corporate office or some scenes like that, I can add that as an image over here. And it would be actually taking that into account, right? If I want to, I can create an avatar video. Just click over here on the avatars, right? And you can enter a script over here and you can have an avatar. That means it will create a spokesperson kind of video. So let us do it quickly. So I've just written welcome to my transformation journey, right? And now let's click on preview. As you can see, I'm generating this avatar scene. So let's wait a little. And as you can see, it has been generated over here. So we can actually make this more fitting like this, right? And then we can crop this. Perfect, right? So now if we play this, so you can actually have this scene as the first scene as well. Just drag it over here and make it the first scene. And boom, as you can see, this is now the first scene.
Welcome to my transformation journey. Success.
So that's quite cool, right? So that's how we can actually enrich the videos. So that's the first part done and dusted. Now, say I want ending as well. So for that, let me show you the other thing that I was telling, that this guy in another environment. So I'll click on this plus and I will add a certain thing. So in here, I've added a NK Academy logo, right? Now let me actually give the scene over here. So I have told the man is talking in a corporate office with the logo in the background wall, just for an example, and click on generate. So look at
welcome
this.
to NKR.
So let us give it at the last, just as an ending. Now I'm just giving a random script over here.
Welcome to NKR Academy. We build digital empires. Partner with us for cutting-edge digital solutions today.
Look at this. Amazing, right? And as I told you, look at the logo is right behind it. So if you want this kind of settings, you just need to come up to VO, and in here you need to select an avatar, and then you can add reference images as well. And then it can be an office, it can be a workplace, it can be outfit, whatever you wish to, right? So that's up to you. So I've shown you this VO, I've shown you this avatar. Now coming over to voiceover. Sometimes we need to have explicit voiceovers, right? Say if we have the voiceover done for every one of these scenes, but say for example, you want an additional voiceover. So in those cases, you can come over here and then you can select, there are plenty of voiceovers that are available, right? You can select the quality.
This platform is the classic leather jacket of work.
So you can see these are quite good sounding
Checkout
as
is
well.
so fast now, you might have.
So you can just go ahead and choose any one of them, right? And then once done, you can just click on select. Then you can enter a script. And once you are done, you can just click on insert voiceover. And as you can see, the voiceover has been generated over here. Right now you can just go ahead and you can actually split it at the playhead. You can check the sound. You can turn it on off from here, right? You can balance the sound. If you play this, you will hear the sound as well.
Steam voiceover
We
script.
build digital empire.
So you can see both of the voiceovers are coming at the same time. So let us actually bring it out over here. So in here, the voiceover is not really required because I have voiceovers, but in case your voiceover is breaking or you want something new, you can actually add this over here, just like this. In order to delete it, you can just right click and click on delete and boom, it would be deleted, right? So that's how it happens. So after voiceover, there is a thing called music. So you can come over here and you can generate a music. So let it be 30-second long and let me create a motivational background music. Just for an example, right? And let's click on generate. So as you can see, it has been created. So let's play this. Quite good, right? So I can just click on insert. And as you can see, it has been inserted. Now if we play this, now remember, whenever we click insert, it would be inserted at the playhead. So currently the playhead is over here. So that's why it has been inserted here. If you want to start it from the right start, you can just drag it like this and boom, you are done, right? So let's go ahead and play this.
Success means nothing if your body is collapsing.
So as you can see, the background music is quite loud. So what we can do is that we can come over here and we can click on balance sound. Now, once we do that, you can see we can find all the tracks, right? All the tracks, and we can adjust all the tracks volume, or we can select this track that is only the track that we are selected, and then we can actually adjust the volume like this. Like let's make it 50%, and we can also add in a fade in and a fade out. And then we can also add a automatic ducking, right? So once the ducking is done, I think this should sound good. I will give it as a background, right? So I will make sure that this appears as a background music. Now let's go ahead and play this and see how it now sounds.
Luck. Discipline.
Look at this, right? So this is the difference that happens. Now, if I don't use the ducking, let me again show you. If I go over to this track, remember to select this track, and if I turn off the ducking and now play this.
Every workout. Every meal. Every hard choice. Changed him. Your body follows your discipline. Transform yourself. Transform your life. Discipline builds empires. Welcome to NKR
So
Academy.
this is quite good,
build
right?
digital-
So this is how you can do it. Now, apart from this, you can even go ahead and add images. You can use Nano Banana model. You can describe your whatever you want to and create an image over here. You can even record your screen or your camera or your voiceover all from within the same platform. You can upload. Say, for example, you have a video on which you want to add B-rolls or something like that. You can upload the video over here, and then you can use it as well. That's up to you. Then you have the stock footages. In here, you can have, there is a complete stock footage library from where you can actually bring in whatever stock footage you want to. Then the important part is captions. So let us add a caption over here and apply it to all scenes, right? You can apply it to current scene as well, but I'm applying it to all scenes. So now you can see the caption comes up, right? And there are so many styles of these captions. You can actually go ahead and choose any of these, right? Any of these you can go ahead and choose. Say, for example, I want this one. So I can do it like this as well. This is totally up to you, right? Or maybe I want this one. So this is done. So I've done the captioning. Now, if you want to add a text overlays, you can just come over to this text and you can add subtitles, you can add stickers, headlines, all of these as well. Then there are a few templates that you can add, and also if you want to add shapes, you can do that as well. So that's all in all how cool Google Vids is, and I hope you are getting the power, right? Everything can be done seamlessly like in any video creator. The best part, you don't need any other editor. All of this is done right in here. Now, if you want to add transitions between scenes, you can come over here and you can select the transition. You can select the duration of the transitions, and boom, you are done, right? You can just select different kind of transitions as well for different slides, for different videos, right? And you can actually turn it on or turn it off or do whatever you wish to, basically. So it's almost done, right? So boom, it's done, right? I've given the transitions, I've given everything. So now I'm ready for export. So you just need to come over to this file and you can export it to YouTube directly as well, since it's Google, and you can download this as MP4 as well. I'll always prefer that. I'll prefer a manual upload, but if you want to, you can do that as well. So as you can see, it's downloading. So let's wait.
If your body is collapsing. Not motivation. Not luck. Discipline. Every workout. Every meal. Every hard choice. Changed him. Your body follows your discipline. Transform yourself. Transform your life. Discipline builds empires. Welcome to NKR Academy. We build digital empires. Partner with us for cutting-edge digital solutions today.
Look at this. This is quite amazing, right? So that's it for this tutorial, and this will get you started. I would say go ahead, log into Google Vids and test it out. That's the best way to learn. Just take this as an example, get started, and then things will get easier for you as well. Let me know if you face any problem. I'm always there to help you and support you out. I really hope that you have an amazing time creating brand new AI videos. And remember, I'm the first one who have shown you all of this. So if you consider that, please consider liking this video and sharing this with your friends, and also consider subscribing to this channel so that you can get notifications for videos just like this that can shape your future. So that's it for today's tutorial. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep growing online. Signing off is Shayan. Take care. Bye-bye.